Bye, Miss Benjamin. Oh. Yo, I knew it.
Of course they are. I know. Learn how to be quiet around wildlife. We don't really have time. I can go during lunch. Who's calling? But coach said to give it to her. Leave it. I don't eat birds. Oh, when we get to class, leave it with me.
I don't eat lizards either. I'm gonna make you.
Welcome to my vlog, yo.
We're supposed to be in class, but we're walking around a ring of different.
The game.
Okay, girl, you're gonna get us demonetized.
I haven't even been monetized yet.
Monetized? Do you mean demonetized?
I haven't even been monetized, so how can I be demonetized?
Oh.
Stupid.
Oh, I thought you were saying.
Oh, and guys,
So yeah, welcome to my vlog. You know, living my life.
those are school life.
I got so much jewelry. Yeah, I'm DJ Khaled. So much jewelry.
But she says that she has a lot of jewelry, but she's not wearing any jewelry right now.
She wearing the ear.
Except for
And like
earrings.
I myself am a jewel, so like
My earrings are more expensive than her, so like, wait, what do you mean?
oh my
You dummy.
who walks in the grass like that?
I do that in my
She
bus.
said walk around. Maya said,
Huh? Oh yeah, we're. I gotta edit that.
You can edit.
Yeah.
So yo CKK, the Cool Kids Club, or no,
Just do
the
it with C.
CKC, the Cool Kids Club, the PCK, the
you mean
Poor
the
Kids
CKC?
Club.
You mean the CKC? Because club is not spelled with a K.
You just said you need the CK. You're stupid.
It's CKC because kids.
Ah, you stupid.
Because cool
You stupid.
kids club, you dumbass.